Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Daily Goodie Box. This is a website where you can create a profile. It's free to join, and you fill out some information, and if you're picked, you get a box of goodies. You just have to make sure you review them, and that's basically what the little note inside says. You can also follow them on social media, and you can win a box that way. They do give them away, so I will put all their information below in case you want to join. So let's see what items I got. Ooh, so excited. I have a 2-year-old. You're my 7-year-old. Well, he's almost 7. He eats these fruit pouches, and I always get the fruit and veggie kind because they don't eat veggies. And I feel like I need to get it in there any way I can, so I find little hidden food like that. I am so excited for these. And they very thoughtfully put them inside a big bag here. That way, if they got squished or anything, they wouldn't leak on everything. North Coast Organic. I have never seen this in the store, so I'll have to look and see where you can get these. This one is blueberry, spinach, and kale. There's no sugar added and no preservatives. That is awesome. Then this one has mango, sweet potato, and apricot. And then pear, blackberry, and beets. Very, very excited for that. Super cool. Next up we have Mary's Gone Crackers. That's a cute company name. This is organic, gluten-free, whole grain, and vegan super seed crackers. Toasty and seriously seedy with a pinch of black pepper. Interesting. I can't wait to try that. I'm fasting right now, so as soon as I come off my fasting, I'm going to try that. And then typically there's some kind of beverage. So this month we got Coco Lux Hydration, 100% pure coconut water. And again, it's 100% coconut water, no sugar added, never from concentrate, and no preservatives. Very cool. Next up we have Ecolips Mango Kiss. Peppermint scented. It's a real thick balm. I'm going to go ahead and open that. I love a good lip balm. And this is kind of cool because it twists from up top instead of at the bottom. Just the little things that you notice. And that glides on really smooth and smells like peppermint. So, love that. These I have got in the past. Hydralyte. They are Effervescent Electrolyte tablets. And it's an orange flavor. There are 20 tablets in here. Rapid results. You just dissolve them in 7 ounces of water. And sip slowly and frequently while symptoms persist. Cool. So we got that. Also in the box, sleep factors. So this has 5-HTP, I don't know what that is, and melatonin, which I know helps with sleep. And these are vegan capsules. So there's a little sample size of that. Ooh, this is Cashew Coconut Super Bites. Plant-based protein with chia and flax seeds. I like the packaging, that's cute. So that's just a little bar. It looks pretty good. And it's organic as well. Then there is a RXBAR. This one is chocolate sea salt. I don't know that I've had that flavor, but I have tried these in the past. This one has 12 grams of protein, and it includes 3 egg whites, 6 almonds, 4 cashews, 2 dates, and no BS. Again, cute packaging. And then, typically at the bottom, you have some paper clipped items. Oh, cool. So here is one for the veggie pouches. So I'll have to look them up. Stay hydrated. And a lot of times there are coupon codes on here. So always check those out in case you want to order more of the products. You got some stuff in there. Graceful aging. So this looks like they have all sorts of other supplements. Joint, memory, hair, skin, nails, and sleep. Very cool. So if you guys would like to sign up for Daily Goodie Box, I have all their information below. If you want to see past boxes, I also have a playlist. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.